Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today we're going to take a look at the basics of these exciting technologies and explain what they are, how they work, and why they're becoming so important. What is blockchain? Let's start by talking about blockchain. Simply put, blockchain is a digital ledger that keeps a permanent record of all transactions made in a decentralized network. It's called a chain of blocks because each block in the chain contains a group of transactions. Blockchain benefits. The beauty of blockchain is that it's incredibly secure and transparent. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making it an ideal solution for secure transactions and data storage. And because it's decentralized, it means that no single entity controls the network, which is why it's often called a trustless system. What is cryptocurrency? Now let's talk about cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies are created and managed on the blockchain. Every time a transaction is made, it's verified and processed by nodes in the network, and a new block is added to the chain. The more nodes there are in the network, the more secure and decentralized the system becomes. Cryptocurrency benefits. Cryptocurrency has many benefits, including fast and cheap transactions, borderless transfers, and increased privacy and security. And because it's decentralized, it means that there's no need for a central authority like a bank, which makes it a great solution for people who are concerned about the security of their financial information. How to get started with cryptocurrency? So, how do you get started with cryptocurrency? First, you need to set up a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your cryptocurrency and make transactions. Next, you can purchase cryptocurrency on an exchange or through a peer-to-peer platform. And finally, you can start using your cryptocurrency for transactions and investment. And that's it. That's a basic beginner's guide to blockchain and cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more updates.